Did you know that magnesium deficiency is a silent epidemic? It's a hidden issue that affects millions of people around the world, often without them even realizing it. It's true. A significant portion of the population doesn't consume enough magnesium. Despite its importance, many of us are unaware of how much we need and where to get it. This vital mineral is often overlooked. Foods like nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and whole grains are excellent sources, yet they are not always a staple in our diets. Yet it plays a crucial role in over 300 bodily functions. From muscle and nerve function to blood sugar control and bone health, magnesium is indispensable. Without sufficient magnesium, our bodies can't function optimally. We may feel constantly tired, weak, or unable to perform daily activities with ease. We become vulnerable to various health problems, from fatigue and muscle cramps to more serious issues like heart disease and diabetes. Chronic deficiency can lead to long-term health complications. It's time to shed light on this widespread deficiency. By understanding the importance of magnesium, we can take steps to improve our health. Let's explore the importance of magnesium and how we can ensure we're getting enough of it. Simple dietary changes and awareness can make a significant difference in our overall well-being. Magnesium is a true powerhouse when it comes to our overall health. It acts like a spark plug in our bodies, igniting energy. It ignites hundreds of essential biochemical reactions in our cells. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring every instrument plays its part harmoniously. Magnesium regulates muscle and nerve function, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. It even helps create DNA, RNA, and the antioxidant glutathione. Without enough magnesium, our bodies can't function at their best. We might experience a range of symptoms, from mild to severe discomfort. Many people dismiss the early signs of low magnesium as simply being run down. They often attribute their constant tiredness to a busy lifestyle or lack of sleep. However, these seemingly minor issues can escalate into more serious health problems if left unaddressed. Ignoring these signs can lead to chronic fatigue, muscle weakness, and even more severe conditions. One of the most common signs of magnesium deficiency is fatigue. This isn't just feeling tired after a long day. It's a persistent exhaustion that doesn't go away with rest. We feel constantly tired, no matter how much sleep we get. This unrelenting fatigue can affect our daily activities and overall quality of life. Muscle cramps, especially at night, are another telltale sign. These cramps can be incredibly painful and disrupt our sleep, leading to even more fatigue. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle relaxation. It helps muscles contract and relax properly, which is essential for physical activities and overall comfort. When levels are low, muscles can contract involuntarily, leading to painful cramps. This can make it difficult to perform everyday tasks and enjoy physical activities. Additionally, low magnesium levels can exacerbate stress and anxiety. This can create a vicious cycle, as stress can further deplete magnesium levels in the body. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters that influence mood. By maintaining adequate magnesium levels, we can support our mental health and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. The good news is that we can easily boost our magnesium intake through a healthy diet. By making mindful choices and incorporating a variety of magnesium-rich foods into our meals, we can support our overall health and well-being. Nature provides an abundance of magnesium-rich foods. These foods are not only delicious, but also offer numerous health benefits that can enhance our daily lives. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent sources. These greens are versatile and can be easily added to salads, smoothies, and various dishes. These greens are not only packed with magnesium, but also provide a wealth of other essential nutrients. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds, are also magnesium powerhouses. They are easy to incorporate into your diet, whether as a snack or as an addition to meals. They make for convenient and tasty snacks. Including a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet can help you meet your magnesium needs while enjoying delicious flavors. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are another excellent way to incorporate more magnesium into your diet. These grains are not only nutritious but also versatile, making them easy to include in a variety of meals. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support helps us bring you more tips and insights for a healthier life.